Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over how to file and pay your own UCR registration. The registration period opened October 1st of this year, and it is incredibly simple to file. There's no reason to pay a permit company to do this for you. I've seen the reasonable places charge $30, $35, and I've gotten emails from advertisements charging all the way up to $100. And that is absolutely ridiculous, because if you do this on your own, it's going to take you, literally 5 minutes to do, if that. So if you like these kind of videos, you find them helpful, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with a friend. And I'm going to flip the computer screen around here, and we are going to get started. I'm going to walk you through this step by step. The website you want for this is www.ucr.gov for the UCR 2021 registration. I'll just read here. It says the registration for the 2021 UCR registration year opened October 1st at 8 a.m. Fees remain the same as they were for 2020, so they're the same as the current year, and are currently listed on the UCR website. So there's no change in the fees for this year. Remember, the last couple years this UCR got delayed significantly because they couldn't decide what the fees were going to be. So first thing we need to do is go here and type in our US DOT number. And right below it here, in this section, when you come to this site, there'll be two buttons. One is the privacy policy, and the other one is terms of use. I had already read those in preparation for setting up for this video, so they don't show up here again because I did read them. It says I accepted them. But what you have to do, you have to actually click on each one and then read it, pretend to read it, whatever. It just basically says, we're the government. We're right, you're wrong. By using this, we own all your information. We'll sell it to anybody we want and do with it as we choose. So you have to accept it if you want to do it. Read both of those, click on accept, and then right here you can click on submit. And it will bring you to this page here, which is just verifying that this is you and your DOT number. And then they want you to re-enter your DOT number and click continue right here. I have to blur all this out because this is very personal information, and sorry, I'll leave it here so you can see what information is here, but I gotta blur out my information here. This shows all your company information there. And then over here you can see your previous years that we were registered right here for 2021. It says unregistered, so we are going to register now. They want to know who is creating this registration. Your name, first and last. So I will type that in here. And then I certify that I've been given proper authorization to do this, and I have. By myself, because it's my company. Carrier classification. I am a motor carrier. If you're a broker or a leasing company, freight forwarder, private motor carrier, you're going to want to select whichever one you are. Click continue. Now, they need to know your number of vehicles and such. If you've filed through here before, they can auto-fill your information from your MCS 150, and I'm going to do that. And see, it shows right here, one vehicle, or one tractor, no passenger vehicles, no additional vehicles, and none of mine are exempt. Or if you click on B here, you can manually enter that. I got to get out of there because I don't want to do that. Okay, I want option A. All right, vehicle total is 1. I got 1 truck. So ensure that your number of trucks is correct. Click continue. And now the same with your billing information here. They can pull it right from your MCS 150 by clicking on these boxes here. And it will auto-populate these, which is pretty sweet. Otherwise, you can type that in manually. I told you this was easy, didn't I? Ensure that this information here is correct. And then over here, how do you want to pay? credit or debit card, or ACH e-check. I'm going to pay by credit card. And I'm going to type that in here. Of course, I'm going to blur this out because y'all can't have my credit card number. Alright, I got to put all this information in here. Expiration. Now right here it says 2021 registration fee for 0 to 2 vehicles is $59. It says you may also mail in your payment, but registration will not be valid until payment is received and processed successfully. I don't know why you wouldn't just do it right here. We can have it done instantly. So, ensure that your address information is correct. We got our credit card information in there. We'll click on continue. And right here, it's just basically wanting you to review that information again and make corrections if needed. It will charge you a convenience fee, I guess, for using the credit card of $1.62. That's fine by me. You have to agree to these terms. And by agreeing, you are certifying that all information provided in the registration portal is accurate to the best of your knowledge, and any inaccuracies may be subject to audit and additional payment. And then you gotta click here to show you're not a robot, and then you can click to complete your registration. Now, I print a couple copies of this. I print one copy and keep it in my files at home to show that I'm compliant, and then I print a copy to keep in the truck. You don't have to keep one in the truck. Same with your 2290. You don't have to keep that in the truck either, but I keep both of them in there just in case I run into a problem out on the road. I'm a one-man operation. I don't have anybody back at home that can fax these to me and fix it. So it says we've successfully updated your registration. Click on OK. And right here now it shows 2021 registered. So you can view your registration. Oh, it doesn't have our receipt generated yet because it's just completed. It looks like I can open it here. Here we go. This is my 2021 registration. UCR is valid, if you can see that here. So we're good to go. Expires 12/31/21. So it's all complete. Like I said, print a couple copies. And I told you that was the easiest thing you're ever going to do in your life. So y'all have a great day, and we'll see you next time.